Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much to Savvyland for sending me this amazing dip powder kit that you can purchase through Amazon. I will have everything linked down below for you guys. So right here I'm just going to be introducing you to everything that this kit brings, and it does bring quite a lot of things, as you can see here, even including a little fan brush. So that is definitely a great thing. This is a 4-step dip powder kit. The 4th step is the brush saver, so that's only if you need it, just in case. So here I'm going to be showing you the 10 colors of dip powder that this kit brings. These colors were outstanding and they were beautiful, and I absolutely loved them, and amazing quality as well. And by the way, in this video there's a bit of a twist. I decided to mix clear polygel with dip powder, and then I incorporated the lazy girl method, which is the method where you use a full coverage nail and then you apply the product inside of the nail and then you cure it onto your nail plate. So you guys will see the entire process here. I did not do any nail prep in this particular video. I just put off my peel off coat off camera and I placed the nails on. But of course, if you were to want these nails to last, you would remove the shine from the nails along with a primer. But before the primer, either a dehydrator or some acetone or alcohol to remove all the oils and dirt from the nail plates, and then you'd apply the primer along with a base, and then you'd begin your application. So I hope you all enjoy today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much to all the love and support I always receive from each and every one of you. It means the absolute world to me. I hope you all enjoy. This is a really great affordable dip powder kit, and it's beautiful and it has a variety of everything. It includes 5-10 gram of the solid color dip powders along with 5-10 gram of the glitter dip powder, so you can mix and match. You could do a lot, and these colors are very versatile, very beautiful. So if you guys are interested in anything or just checking it out, I will have everything linked down below for you all. So I did some swatches this time around because I finally got some swatches, because dip powder, the way it looks in the container is not the way that it looks on the nail. These are the colors I decided to go for, along with my clear polygel from Burano, and it worked absolutely great. You can use any polygel, but I just decided to use this one for this particular video. So here I just have this mixing plate that I did purchase through AliExpress, and now I am just trying to take out some polygel from here, and it is a bit hard because it's really cold in my house. And then I'm just adding some dip powder of choice over it, and now I'm just mixing it all together. I allowed this to set in for a couple of minutes. After mixing it all together, it just comes together perfectly and it smooths out into one. And then after, I just placed some on my full coverage nail, and as my slip solution today, I decided to use base coat. It's definitely my favorite to work with when using polygel, and in this circumstance I mixed polygel with dip powder. It absolutely worked fantastically. As you guys can see, everything just fell into place perfectly. So here I am just repeating these same steps for the rest of the nails. And by the way, guys, let me know down in the comments what you guys thought about this particular nail look. I absolutely loved it. And by the way, if you're interested in these nail tips, I will have everything linked down below in the description box for you all. And these are the XL Tapered Square full coverage nail tips from the Attitude shop. I definitely recommend you check that shop out because it is absolutely amazing. This particular powder color I just fell in love with. It's so beautiful, the mixed glitters. The way that this one in particular comes together, I just absolutely fell in love with it. I loved this glitter combination. So now we're moving on to the final nail, and these are what they look like. I absolutely love the shape. So pretty. And now I'm just gonna go in with some buffing and shaping. So these are what the nails look like. Now I'm gonna go in with some Gershon top coat along with this beautiful box of embellishments that I did get through Shein. It only cost me $2, and I will be using the 3rd dimensional butterflies. It also brings rhinestones and some really other cute embellishments like gold roses and leaves. So here I am using the Gershon top coat as an adhesive for the butterflies. If you'd want these to last, you'd use rhinestone glue, but for video purposes, since I did have to take these right off, I didn't do so. So that's what I will be doing to apply the butterflies. And then all together, I'll just go under the UV lamp and cure the nails for 60 seconds. So this is all for today's video. We are coming to an end now. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time.